Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss now the temperature optimization while retrieving answers from large language models according to the nature of tasks. So, first of all, let us understand what is temperature. And I want to apologize, I am not using ChatGPT OpenAI for this because it doesn't show explicit temperature metric on the UI, but Google AI Studio does. So that will allow us to experiment with it. Temperature decides the deterministic nature of your answer. Okay? Deterministic means it will be repetitive, factual, predictable, and convergent. And non-deterministic means it will be creative, divergent, unpredictable, non-repetitive, and sometimes leaning forward from factuality. Okay? So based on this, it is a common sense that when we need to have task that needs factuality more than creativity, like you ask AI summarize in 150 words the novel Great Expectations for me. Now you want the summary as factual as it can be, so you will set the temperature to 0, leaning towards 0. Okay, and this will increase the reliability of the summary. Okay, Great Expectations by Charles Dickens follows the life of Philip Kirk, an orphan, nickname. Okay. But when you are asking it some creative answers like suggest me a idea to start a novel on entrepreneurship, this time, and as we have learned in the past videos, let us make it a bit specific of 150 words for the target audience of age 20 to 50 of business minded, tech savvy nature. Okay, now for this task we need to increase the temperature, as this will allow more creativity in the responses. So let us see what it has to give us. Now the magic of temperature is that if we again prompt the same query, having high temperature will give us a way different answer than the previous one. See, the glitch in the algorithm, a compelling narrative for the business-minded tech savvy. But if we decrease the temperature in this task, if the answers, if we repeat the prompt again and again, are going to be same. Okay, not a way very much divergent, where with variety and creativity pinned in it. See, you can see that the quantum leap, the story we had with low temperature and the decentralized team. Both of the topics are of technical nature in a world increasingly dominated by tech monopolies. who stumbles upon groundbreaking discovery. Crypto anarchists, ethical hackers, and brilliant but eccentric. And this is also having a quantum entanglement drive so far ahead of its time that traditional investors dismiss it as science fiction. So both of the character, when we got the temperature low, are a nerd type with PhD level skills in quantum and digital world. Thank you very much for being with me in understanding how we can vary the temperatures according to the variety of our galaxies.